Unlock the true potential of your Canon EOS 250d and revolutionize your photography with the right lens upgrade. The kit lens that came with your 250d is good for starting out, but it often limits your creative expression and image quality. Upgrading your lens means sharper images, better low-light performance, beautiful background blur, and the ability to capture subjects you never could before. First, consider what type of photography you're most passionate about. Are you drawn to breathtaking portraits, expansive landscapes, distant wildlife, or intricate close-ups? For stunning portraits with creamy bokeh, look no further than the Canon EF 50mm f1.8 STM, often called the Nifty 50. It's incredibly affordable and delivers amazing results. If vast landscapes or dramatic architectural shots are your calling, a wide-angle lens like the Canon FS 10 to 18mm f 4.5 to 5.6's STM will expand your view significantly. To bring distant subjects closer, and for sports or wildlife, a telephoto zoom such as the Canon FS 55 to 250mm f 4 to 5.6's STM is a fantastic versatile option. And for the captivating world of macro photography, revealing tiny details, the Canon FS 35mm f 2.8 macro's STM will open up new creative avenues. Investing in the right lens is investing in your photography journey. Choose wisely, and watch your creative vision come to life. Elevate your photography today.